Good morning. I'm Dr. P. Usharani, Professor Triple E Department, RMT Engineering College. Now I'm going to brief about thyristor controlled reactor, which is one of the FACTS devices, static work compensator part. The circuit diagram of thyristor controlled reactor consists of two anti-parallel SCRs and one inductor, which is connected across the supply. The TCR provides a rapid continuous control of the reactive power over the entire range from leading to lagging. So the diagram shows how it works if you take care. These two anti-parallel SCRs, if you consider during positive half cycle, thyristor T1 will be conducting, and during negative half cycle, thyristor T2 will be conducting. So the controllable range of the TCR in this case, by varying the firing angle, you can have the control of the current flows through the inductor. Actually, the alpha exact value controllable ranges from 90 to 180 degree only. Why this happen means, if alpha is less than 90 degree means, it introduces DC components in the current. Okay, so if it happens, it disturbs the symmetrical operation of the two anti-parallel SCRs. So even though you can vary the alpha from 0 to 180 degree, but in TCR case, below alpha is 90 degree means DC components are introduced in the current. So it disturbs the symmetrical operation of the two anti-parallel SCRs. So if when alpha is equal to 90 degree, the current flow through the inductor in this case will be having both the positive as well as negative half cycle or symmetric waveform. If you increase the alpha value from 90 to 180 degree, which is having discontinuous pulses symmetrically, which will be located both positive as well as negative half cycle, when alpha reaches 180 degree, the current reduces to 0, okay, due to line commutation. So I'll show the waveforms. This is the circuit I told. So when alpha, suppose for example, when alpha is 90 degree means I'll be having pure sinusoidal current waveform. Okay, if I increase my alpha from 90 to 180 degree, I am showing two different waveforms. This is for a particular value of alpha 105. So the current is symmetric only, both the positive as well as negative half cycle, but it is discontinuous. Okay, discontinuous pulses. When I increase my alpha, my current magnitude gets reduced. The waveform shape is symmetric only, but with just a discontinuous pulses. Okay, when alpha is equal to 180 degree means the current is 0 here. Okay, that is the operation of single phase TCR. We can use 6 pulse TCR. There is a drawback in that. Better we can go for 12 pulse configuration. In 12 pulse configuration, you can have star-star connection as well as star-delta configuration, which will be useful in HVDC systems. You can reduce the harmonic content without that means it alleviates the requirements of harmonic filters. No need of harmonic filter because of 12 pulse configuration. And the main advantages TCR, flexible of control. Okay, flexibility of control rapid continuous control of reactive power over the entire range, that is from lagging to leading angle. Thank you.